Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device captures internal audio. That matters because ringtones must be clean. Open your screen recorder now and pick internal audio plus mic if you want narration. Set recording quality to high, 44. 1K HZ or 48K HZ is ideal. Once done, record a short test clip. 10 seconds will do to check levels and format. Make sure to name the file clearly because you will export and trim it next, and consistent names speed the workflow. You'll now trim and refine. Load the recorded file into a waveform editor and select the memorable 15 to 30-second segment, shorter for most phones. Normalize levels so volume is consistent, then add a quick fade in and fade out to prevent abrupt cuts. Export at a high bitrate and convert to the ringtone format your phone uses, for example, M4R for iPhone or MP3 for Android. Once converted, double-check the clip duration and name before transferring. You finish by transferring the ringtone to your phone using Cable, Cloud Sync, or a Ringtone Manager app. Choose whatever preserves the file format. On the device, open Settings, then Sound or Ringtones and assign the new clip. Test the ringtone by playing a preview and make volume adjustments if needed. If it fails, check 3 things: format compatibility, clip duration limits, and storage or app permissions. Resolving any one of those often fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.